Hi guys, it's me. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I am just going to show you an abstract painting that I did a couple weeks ago. I really love how this turned out. The inspiration was from one of my students, and she did an entire piece in purple, and she just used really expressive brush strokes. So here I'm just squirting out some of my Master Touch paints. I love Master Touch paints. I think they're really beautiful. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. They're great quality, and I've had paintings that I did a couple years ago and they're still beautiful. So here I have an index card and I'm just swapping out the colors to make sure that I like them together. I just want a nice mix of different values or shades of colors, and I always add white and gray just to kind of push those colors forward. So first I'm just going to just use some cheap brushes. These are brushes actually from the dollar store, but I like them. They're natural bristles and they're really cheap, and they just let you make beautiful brush strokes without having, they're very expressive. So they're not stiff at all. They're very, very soft. So I just love the way that you can lay things out. And I think there I used my toothpicks just to scrape into the paint. And I didn't really have an idea. I just knew that I just kind of wanted to make expressive brush strokes on my canvas, and that was about it. So this is a really fun process. I'm just going to keep layering and layering marks on, and I kind of had a different idea for this piece, but I think that you always have to be open to where a piece is going to go. So that's what I did with this process, and I love how it turned out. Actually, it turned out really, really beautiful. And this piece is for sale if you're interested. It is an 8 by 10, I believe. Yes, that's right. It's an 8 by 10, and it's really beautiful. I named it the wave because it ends up looking like a wave to me, but really fun, just building up the colors, scraping into paint. You see that I like to start with a really dark background, but if you build up colors, you don't have to really worry about that. So I love it. I think it turned out really great. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy this piece and the progression of how it goes together. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because I have lots of inspiration there, and you get to see kind of my abstract pieces because I don't film all of them, but yes. But I do have some on there and some artwork maybe that you've never seen on this channel. So really fun. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Happy abstract painting. Bye bye guys.
Time to finally move back to myself. I'm all alone, cause now you're gone and no one's here. All of this pain I deserve, but when you left me, it still hurt, and I'm standing in the darkness. Bitter, bitter for all the things I've done. I'm trying to move on, but all the guilt is hitting me at once. I hope you're happy with the one that wants you out of my life, but the stars are falling from the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. Hey, the little bird disappeared in front of my eyes, and I know that everything's falling, falling. There ain't no stars to light the sky. It's taking me time, but now I see that I was wrong. I should have been there for you and made you feel at home. All this heartbreak, girl, I urge, but I still feel it when it burns, and I'm falling from the darkness. And I'm bitter, bitter for all the things I said. I'm trying to move on, but seeing you was messing with my head. I hope you're happy with the one that wants you out of my life. All the stars are falling from the sky. Stars falling straight from the sky. Straight from the sky. Little bird myself, but I still got one star left. So I'm wishing on that star tonight that you come back forever. Stars, 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 disappeared in front of my eyes, and baby, I know everything's falling, falling over. There ain't no stars tonight. Baby, come home to me. You're my little baby, always gonna love you. Falling stars. Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long.